Incremente FI is a software application created following my experience as a technical file writer for Dassault-Aviation Martignas. It generated automatically all the recursive tasks involved in the creation of technical updates on the manufacturing line of Dassault aircraft wings. This application demonstrated a 7-fold increase in productivity and allowed me to resorb completely in 6 months the 220 files backlog that had accumulated over the years across most of Dassault Aviation products. Encoded in VBA, the mandatory software language at the time available at the Bureau, it was oddly enough my first real application entirely encoded in that language. But obviously not my first program. The prints you can see here are from the application's user interface. It was mainly structured around 3 main functions that allowed all type of update and new file creation to be made with a single click. This application was immediately adopted by the Bureau. It was simple to use, powerful, and came with a fully written documentation and directives that it could be sustained autonomously beyond my own presence. As you will see in a few seconds, the code makes extensive usage of annotations to detail functionalities, explain, and guide software engineer through the code. Although I went away after that, tackling other challenges, it is noteworthy that I was later called back to make a dedicated version of the software for the Rafale program. Next is a lengthy scroll-down view of roughly 9,000 manually encoded lines to give you an appreciation of the colossal work done in just under 3 months. Hope you will enjoy, and I see you next.